fidget. Well, first we're just playing with the fidget spinners, then we're just doing some other stuff.
Yeah.
But first we're going to see what fidget spinner is the best quality.
I'm just uploading a video right now.
Sounds the less. Or sounds the least.
One video.
Wait, we need to turn this on.
All night, ladies.
Shut up, prisoner hero.
It's prisoner 0.
I mean, yeah.
Okay, this is how much noise this one goes. Now, give me the pink.
Yellow.
You can spin that.
Silent. Silent.
Okay.
Now for the two noisy ones.
No,
Maybe
just the
these
green
ones
one by itself.
Okay. That sounds like raining. Like now for the
Can I do
noisiest
that
one.
Because I can do it fast.
A hurricane, literally. Minute of silence.
Imagine you're spinning this in minute of silence. Minute of silence, and all that we hear was, "That's not a minute of silence."
Wait, when was Tuesday?
Okay, so the yellow one.
Wait, today's Friday.
Today's Saturday.
Thursday.
Saturday.
I mean, yeah, Saturday.
We had school on Thursday.
So on Tuesday,
Okay, so
literally last Tuesday,
so it
it was
goes.
Anzac Day.
So it goes. Yellow wins. White comes second. Green comes third, and pink comes last.
Pink is like literally a hurricane. Here it isn't as bad, but when on the ground. Sounds like a
No, but it sounds more when you don't have to think on it.
like it's easy.
Record me spinning around, and then I'm going to jump into the splits. I haven't done the splits today. Let me just do
Does that see? Can that see? Yeah, we don't care about the possums. They're cute and all.
No. Oh, yeah. No.
Okay, guys, let's.
No, I'm recording.
You haven't got any bread anyway.
It's scary.
Close the door this time. Just don't run.
They can't see you.
Nah.
They can't see you.
It's scary. There's a little baby right through there. Oh, it's
Right. Wait, no, we need to go back out here. Okay, so just here. Just here.
Holly, the video is about to. Oh, guys, the video is about to upload. Oops. Probably see that where the blue line is.
Okay, just wait. Can you record me so it can see the ground? I'm going to spin around and drop in the slits. I've got brain tangles, so... Awesome video. Wait, I need to read that comment. Awesome video. I just uploaded a vlog. Could you
Holly?
please give me some feedback and maybe some recording if you like it?
Are you going to ignore me? Get into bed, get ready, put my one on.
Okay, just wait. I'm just going to do it. Ready? Ta-da! Ta-da! Now I've got to go put my water on.
1 minute remaining. Like 5 seconds remaining.
So, we just recently got the movie called
Moana.
If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It just recently came out.
It's a really good movie.
It's a really good movie. It's got heaps of songs and heaps of...
Cute pigos and stuff.
There's
Cute animals.
pigs and chickens and just really cute animals. But if you watch PG, it's a little bit over PG because it's a little scary. Well, not scary, but for like.
Yeah,
like
guess what, guys? The
there's-
vlog uploaded. Where Tina falls asleep. Finally. Go check that out as well. That's
So there's the pig with the chicken on its head, and the girl holding the arrow behind it. She has an amazing life. Go check it out. It's already in here, so we're just gonna turn it on and turn it on here, and then
I'm gonna go onto YouTube and check.
open
The video
check
out.
Moana's in there. Yep, Moana's in there.
I
Shut it.
I got a thing saying a notification from me. Holly uploaded a new video. 3 crazy kids.
3 crazy kids upload a new video. So now we have to start saying, hi guys, it's Holly, or hi guys, it's Luca, or hi guys, it's Tino from 3 crazy kids.
Or we can go if we're all there.
We go, hi guys, it's the kids from 3 crazy kids. Okay, so they're ready. We're on the bonus features. I don't want to go on the bonus features. So how do we get out? Oh, so click the main menu.
Main menu. You
Yep,
stopped it.
stop. I know, and then I have to play it again. Ooh, back at the main menu. Oh my god, I thought that was a spider. Look, it looks like a spider.
Oh! Oh, I forgot.
Okay, so you press English. Warning, this product including its soundtrack not for age over 6. So if you're over 6 and you watch PG, it says it's PG, but it's a little bit over. It's a little bit scary for a 6-year-old. But it says PG, but it's actually over.
I searched 3 crazy kids. And
Go to channels.
Literally every